Here we have a Drieaz LGR 3500. This is a low hour machine. We will show you the hours here. It only has 136.6 hours. And we'll go ahead and turn it on so you can kind of hear it run here. So that's your fan right there. It's got a hose right in here, and that's for your purge system. So we'll turn that off, and we're gonna hit the purge. Now the purge is inside, and then the water comes out. Since we didn't really run it too long, there really won't be any water coming out, but you can hear the purge pump working. So turn it on, and you can kind of just listen for it. So you can hear that right there. And then it just shuts off after 10 seconds. Hey, that is a Drieaz LGR 3500i.